In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a loan on the Wells Fargo app effortlessly. Whether you're looking for a personal loan, an auto loan, or a line of credit, I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. Make sure you have your username and password handy because you'll need these to log in. If you've enabled fingerprint or face recognition, go ahead and use that for a quicker login experience. Having trouble logging in? Just tap on Forgot Password to reset it and get back on track. Once you're logged in and find yourself on the home screen, you'll want to locate the menu icon. Depending on your device or app version, it could be at the bottom or top corner of the app. It's represented by three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. A quick tap on this will open up a list of options. From the menu, look for the Loans and Credit option. This is your one-stop shop for all things loan-related at Wells Fargo. Selecting this will lead you to the next step in applying for your loan. Now you should see an option that says Apply for a Loan. Go ahead and select that. Here, you'll have the choice of what type of loan best suits your needs, whether it's a personal loan to consolidate debt, an auto loan to purchase a new vehicle, or even a credit line for more flexibility. Pick the one that aligns with your financial goals. Next, you'll need to enter the specifics of the loan you're seeking. This includes inputting the loan amount, the purpose of the loan, like home improvements or travel, and the term details, which refers to how long you'll take to pay it back. Once you've filled out that crucial information, tap Continue to move forward. At this stage, it's extremely important to review your loan offer carefully. This includes checking the interest rate and the payment terms that Wells Fargo is offering you. Make sure these terms work within your budget and align with your financial capacity. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the terms, go ahead and tap Submit Application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message acknowledging that your application has been received. From here, you can easily keep track of your loan status directly in the app. It's all streamlined to ensure you're not left in the dark about where you stand. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for a loan using the Wells Fargo app. Now, just sit back and let the bank do the rest. Remember to keep track of any communication from them regarding your application status. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.